Here's a street rod to check out. Just in it, unique, especially in classics. This one's 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe two-door sedan that's been street rodded. Underneath the hood, 350 small block Chev power. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, automatic to be exact. Power brakes, AC. Technician did note the AC clutch will work, has to be jumped. So AC will need a little attention to blow cold, may need to recharge. Let's go ahead and take a look at the paint on this. As far as paint color, intense blue pearl coat. Good looking color. Kind of a silver metallic paired up with it. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, storage area or trunk in the rear. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Show Wheels Streeters is what it's riding on. Polished 5-spoke wheel. You can see disc brakes up front, drilled and slotted rotors. Technician also noted that the brakes are 90% in the front, 80% in the rear. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see paint shows well. Nice shine to it, glossy finish. Couple little scuffs or nicks down here on the running board. A little bit on the side. Nothing too major. One spot I want to show you over on the driver's side too that we'll get to in just a bit. Battery has been relocated to the trunk, and the release for the trunk is actually a pull cord. Kind of right down here by the side of the exhaust is a pull release for the trunk. It will also come with a set of springs, as well as a front end cover if you want to protect the front end and any long rod runs that you would do in this car. Once again, all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just a couple notes from the technician on this one. Some minor seeps as far as powertrain, nothing out of the ordinary for a car that is driven. I mentioned about the AC. There's also a stereo located in the glove box with a working remote control for it. Works good. I'll show you that here in just a bit. Could use front tires just due to wear. Starting to get there. And again, brakes are good. Rear windows are in a fixed position, so these do not crank up and down. Rear windows fixed position. And speaking of windows, note that they are tinted. So know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. And over here on the driver's side, not notice any major chips, scratches, maybe a couple more just small ones down on the running board. But I did want to point out we had a little bump up there in that front fender. Maybe why they had the front end protector on there. If you like these street rods, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. So we have the blue and silver theme continuing through the interior of the car. As you can see, we do have bucket seats and a cloth or fabric finish to them, tilt column, video aftermarket gauges. There's that head unit, JVC. That is working, if you can hear that.
You don't have to buy brand new to get a great rate at Kia of Mankato and Hyundai of Mankato. Right now, get 3.9%.
Go ahead and mute it. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, so fuel gauge working, voltmeter, oil pressure, and temp gauge. That was a cold start, so I don't expect that to be up. Odometer reads 5863. Nice sounding car. Headliner looking good. And you'll be able to see all the interior pics from the still pictures also. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Nice throaty exhaust note, a little rumble. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. I want to get this hood open so we can check out that engine bay. And then stick around to the very end. Jason's gonna take this for a drive. All right, so you can see forward folding hood. There it is. Again, small block Chev, 350 Edelbrock intake manifold. Edelbrock 4-barrel. Quite a bit of chrome and bright work going on underneath there. Power brakes, AC. Looks like aluminum radiator with fan, electric fan. Nice setup. 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe 2-door sedan street rod. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Probably close to 100 or so online. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. Got the glove box open so I can show you the stereo. JVC in there working well. Hidden away. Beautiful street rod. Bright blue, glowing in the sunlight. Shift knob matching the car's paint well. Turn signal indicators are working. Gauges from VDO, quality gauges. Sounds very nice. Plenty of acceleration. Our fuel gauge reads 3/4 of a tank. The volts are at 14. We do have a wing window right here to let in fresh air. Love those. Love floor vents. Natural ventilation is awesome. Speedometer working also right in the middle. Oil pressure is about 70, nice and high. However, you know, it was a cold start, so it's still warming up. Water temperature, approximately 170, still warming up as well. The blower motor works on the HVAC unit. Very nice inside and out. That blue and silver / gray carried through to the interior. Textured look to the bottom of the door panels, blending those colors nicely. Very smooth brakes. This is an automatic with a long stick right here on the floor. Of course, an aftermarket steering wheel in this street rod. Do have finger grooves on the back. Corners nicely. There's that awesome exhaust note again. Check out all the pictures of this 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe street rod at UniqueClassicCars.com.